Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Women. Today we are going to talk about something very creative and relaxing, hand embroidery designs. Hand embroidery is a beautiful art where we decorate fabric using a needle and thread. It is simple, fun and full of creativity. Many people love embroidery because it helps them relax and create something unique with their own hands. Let's start with some basic ideas. First, we have floral embroidery designs. Flowers are the most popular choice in embroidery. You can make roses, sunflowers or small leaves. Floral designs look beautiful on dresses, sarees and cushion covers. They give a fresh and colorful look. Next is the simple line embroidery. This design is perfect for beginners. You just use straight or curved lines to create patterns. It looks clean and modern. You can use it on handkerchief or simple cloths. Another lovely idea is mirror work embroidery. In this style, small mirrors are added to the fabric and stitched around. This design is very popular in traditional dresses. It shines beautifully and look very attractive. Now let's talk about geometric designs. These designs use shapes like squares, triangles and circles. They look very stylish and modern. If you like neat and clean patterns, this is a great choice. We also have name or letter embroidery. You can stitch your name on fabric. This is perfect for gifts. It makes your work personal and special. Another amazing idea is thread painting embroidery. In this style, threads use light colors to create pictures. It looks like painting on fabric. It may take time, but the result is very beautiful. Now let's talk about some basic stitches. The running stitch is the easiest one. It is simple and perfect for beginners. The chain stitch looks like a chain. It is great for outlines and designs. The satin stitch is used to fill shapes. It makes the design look smooth and neat. Choosing the right color is also very important. Bright colors look lively, while soft colors give a calm and elegant look. Thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.